Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard here. Then after going there, you will see an option, settings option at the bottom left corner here. Let me show you. You will see an option, settings. Just tap onto the settings here at the bottom left corner, and then you will be moved to this page, and from there you have to tap onto payments. Make sure to complete your account setups to use this option. So after tapping onto payments, scroll down, enter all the necessary prompts or infos, and after that you have to tap on to complete account setup. So after completing your account setups, you can see that you can use a lot of payment methods on Shopify. So scroll down and you will find the option called wallets, and there you will find Apple Pay or Google Pay. And if you want to enable it, then tap onto the sign icon here. Just tap onto it and that's it. Your Apple Pay will be added to your Shopify wallet. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.